This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So hello guys, in this video I will tell you how you can install Windows 10 on VirtualBox machine. Okay, so for that you should open your browser and search VirtualBox. Then it will open like this. Then you have to download the Windows version as you can see on the screen. So click on that. Now it will start downloading. Open it and install. Give all necessary permissions and where you want to install it, give path. So I am creating VM section. Then click on next and be sure that all these are ticked. Then click on yes, install. Now it will install VirtualBox. Okay, now installation is completed. Click on finish. Now as you can see there is VirtualBox open. So now what we will do, we will download ISO of Windows 10 which you can get from Microsoft. I have 64-bit version, so I will download the 64-bit version. So as you can see it has been downloaded. I will open it. So as you can see a dialog box appears. I will create installation media of ISO file. I will select my language, edition and my Windows architecture. You should do according to your need. In my case I have 64-bit, so I will select 64-bit. Then click on next. I need ISO file, so be sure to click on ISO file and click on next. And where you want to save folder, you should select that path and click on next. Now Windows 10 is downloading. As you can see in desktop, Windows 10 ISO is created. Now click on new, name the file Windows 10. Click on next and give them memory size RAM. Then click on next. You should click on next and then give them the location and size. Click on create. Go on storage, then click on Windows 10 empty and choose virtual optical file and click on Windows 10 ISO and open it. Now it is selected. As you can see, now click on OK. Now click on start. Now installation process is being started on VirtualBox. As you can see, this is basic Windows 10 installation. Select time zone, keyboard type and install. Now it demands product key. Click on skip. Accept all license and terms. Click on next. Click on custom install. Next, and now it will start installing Windows in your system or VirtualBox. Now as you can see, the process is going on. See, now it's asking product key once again. So now this is basic installation of Windows 10, and now it asks who is the owner of PC. Click on I own it and click on next. Then skip it. And now make your account and get logged in. Or if you don't have account, then you can sign up. So as you can see now, Windows 10 is available on VirtualBox. This is how you should do all procedure, and you will be able to install Windows 10 on your VirtualBox machine. So thank you.